How to set up an email marketing campaign. Hey there, how's it going today? Mark Doyenne here from markdoyenne.com. Hope you're all staying safe. It sure is a beautiful day. Not real windy, it's sunny out. It's just a gorgeous day. I don't know why I got my jacket on, but I do. But today I wanted to talk a little bit about what happens after you get a lead or someone sign up on your email list. And that's where you have to create campaigns. And the first part of a campaign is an indoctrination period. And the indoctrination period is where you let them get to know you, like you, and trust you, even though they may have signed up on your from your Facebook page, or your Twitter page, or your Instagram page, or your YouTube channel. You want to create a relationship with your subscriber. And sometimes it's not easy to do that because you want to send them promotional emails. And I had trouble with this at first. And I've had to change my email indoctrination period around a couple times because I wanted to send them promotional emails right away. Well, you need to send them out a indoctrination period. That's a period where they can get to know you, they can get to like you, they can get to trust you, and you do that by sending them valuable content. Now, what that length of indoctrination period is, I don't know, but it's always a good idea to send them a welcome email and give them the offer, whatever it is, the lead magnet that you decided to promise them. And it's also a good idea to give them more free content. I like to make a welcome video somewhere in the first 3 emails. And the first 3 emails should be rather quickly. Okay, you'll send one out right away, welcoming them. Then you'll send up another one where they can download their free report or whatever training or whatever it is you used for a lead magnet. And then you want to send out more emails so that they can get to know and like and trust you. And I like to, in that sequence, I like to send out one of a video telling them about me, telling them who I am, tell them how I got involved in affiliate marketing or whatever, email marketing, YouTube marketing, whatever it is. But I like to send out a series or a video on about me. So anyway, I hope it's not going to get too windy because the wind does affect the sound on my mobile phone here. So anyway, what I wanted to talk about is what happens after you get a lead on your email list. And for email, I do prefer Aweber. So I just wanted to point that out, and I will leave a link to Aweber, a free trial, in the description. So the important part is after you get a lead, you want to create a campaign and you want to make an indoctrination period. There again, I don't know how long that indoctrination period is. Some people say 3 emails, some people say 2 weeks, some people say a month. I don't know. What I like to do is make this 3 to 5 email indoctrination period. Then I send them out articles. And I'll send them out an article in the campaigns every couple days. They'll get an article. I've got it in a campaign sequence. So that's what I like to do. And in these email or these articles is me, and they can see me. So they know who it's not just a robot, it's me. Just like this video, you're seeing me. So anyway, I'll leave a link to the blog post that I'm going to write about this in the description. So I just wanted to talk a little bit about what happens after you get a lead. And the first part is to make an indoctrination period inside a campaign. So there again, it's like 3 to 20 emails. You pick the number. How long do you think it would take you to get to know, like, and trust somebody? So anyway, that's what I wanted to talk about today. Thank you for watching. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.